Hola, Stucklings. So, welcome to Day 3, Spanish 1. This is the Newport News virtual learning lesson. This is Day 3. Your teachers are Ms. B. Taylor of Heritage High School and yo, Senora Stuck of Denby High School. Your course is Spanish 1. If you need the vocabulary list, you click here. Isn't that cool? Wham! And booyah, baby! There is the vocabulary list. Unit 4, let's eat. Topic, how much we like or dislike something. Modes of communication, reading, writing, and speaking. So, your learning target. Why are you doing this lesson? By the end of today's lesson, I will be able to communicate how much I like or dislike foods and drinks. I will know I am successful when I complete a Flipgrid video. Engage. So now that you have learned and discussed how to express what you like, let's talk about how to say how much you like foods and drinks. I want you to click on this Quizlet set. You're responsible for learning your vocabulary. You can click right on this. It helps you express quantity, adverbios de cantidad. You can do flashcards, learn, write, spell, test, match, gravity. Sorry, I don't know how to do a Quizlet live. That's going to be wild. We can do quizzes though. So terms in this set, nada, poco, bastante, mucho, no me gusta nada, me gusta mucho, me gusta poco, me gusta bastante, and if you click on this little icon, it'll read it to you. So there you go. Click on Quizlet and study somehow. So here's the explanation. Gramática, adverbos de cantidad. Some verbs can be modified by a word that expresses quantity. These words are called adverbs of quantity. Here are some examples with the verb gustar. I see your eyes glazing over. Just go with this, okay, guys? ¿Te gustan las naranjas? Sí, me gustan mucho. ¿Te gustan las bananas? No, no me gustan nada. Here are the most commonly used adverbs of quantity. Nada, poco, bastante, mucho. Nada, not at all. Poco, a little. Bastante, enough. Mucho, a lot. When expressing you do not like something at all, make sure to use the word nada after gusta or gustan. Example, no me gustan nada los frijoles. I don't like beans at all. That's not the truth. So here's the exploration or explore. Escribe. Mr. Ayaka has ranked the foods the pairs have tried in Peru. So this couple people went out to Peru, they tried some foods, and Mr. Ayaka's checking out how much they like them or dislike them. Read the notes he has taken and summarize the opinions of these characters. Modelo. A Mac no le gustan nada los postres. Well, opiniones sobre la comida. Take a look at this. This row here says las frutas, los pescados, los postres. And then over here, Mac, Tess, Andy. So Mac and las frutas, you see 2 stars there. Mac and los pescados, you see 3 stars here. Mac and los postres, you see an X. If there are 3 stars, mucho. 3 hearts, mucho. If there are 2 hearts, bastante. If there's 1 heart, poco. And if there's nada, nothing. So you're supposed to write sentences based on the chart provided. And you use the key at the bottom to help determine how much Tess and Andy like the foods listed. So here's a full model with Mac. See Mac, you got frutas, 2 hearts, bastante. The sentence is, a Mac le gustan las frutas bastante. Well, how about fish? Okay, see 3 hearts, that means mucho. A Mac le gustan los pescados mucho. Now, see los postres or desserts, there's an X. That means nada. A Mac no le gustan nada los postres. I want you to write about Tess. Give me 3 sentences. How much does Tess like frutas? How much does she like pescados? And how much does she like postres? So put that in there. And then for Andy, 1, 2, and 3, how much does Andy like frutas? How much does Andy like los pescados? And how much does Andy like postres? Now evaluate. I want you to click on the Flipgrid. If you're in first period, I want you to click on the first period link. If you're in second period, I want you to click on the second period link. If you're in 5th period, I want you to click on the 5th period link. If you're in 7th period, I want you to click on the 7th period link. You're going to listen to your teacher give you the prompt. You're going to click the green plus button and give your reply and express what foods and drinks you like a lot, somewhat, a little bit, or not at all. Please remember our digital citizenship guidelines. I expect you to use appropriate language, appropriate hand gestures, and if you decide to use stickers and to draw on your own picture, make sure that they are school appropriate. We may not be in the building, but this is considered class activity. Also, I do want you to reply to each other's Flipgrids. Keep your language clean, school-friendly, and appropriate. You may not draw all over or do anything negative to someone else's Flipgrid. This is a chance for us to finally see each other, hear each other, and interact with each other while we are out. I love you guys. Make good choices, and please make sure to click submit or turn in or mark as done, as I keep typing here, as done, so that your teacher gets your work. Okay, guys. Hasta luego. Gracias.